1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I quickly wanted to talk to you guys about my brand new hair. I'm so obsessed. I love it. I had dark hair for like the longest time. It took me so long to actually grow out my hair to my natural hair color, and I kind of wanted to go back to the lighter hair, but I knew that I wanted to have like dark hair for my wedding, so that's why I kept on growing it out. But since that day already happened, now I got to play around with my hair and I can do whatever I want to it, and I just kind of wanted to go later. So that's my hair for now. I love it. It's just so beautiful. And also, before I get started, Bambi wanted to say hi. You want to say hi, baby? He wanted to say hi. He wanted to appear on my video because it's been such a long time since he's been on here. So yeah, he wanted to say hi. There you go, baby. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about manifestation. I have a manifestation board that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to show you where I'm currently at with my manifestation board. I think it's very important for us to manifest what we want in life in order to kind of keep our mind focused on what we want in life. I know that everything I've gotten was because I manifested it one way or another. I would just think about it, become a thought, then I would start researching it, just thinking about it over and over again, put it out in the universe, and then it would happen. It's obviously not something that happens immediately. It's something that you kind of have to give yourself some time for. You cannot be like, okay, I wish to be a millionaire tomorrow. Unless this is a fairy tale, it's not going to happen like that. You have to be realistic with the things you want in life, and it's kind of like a goal. You're setting a goal and you're working towards those goals. But manifestation is more like thinking about it, and you're subliminally thinking about it so much you make it a reality. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you my manifestation board, and some of those things have already happened in my life or are currently happening or about to happen. So I'm very happy to share with you this. It's really good to start one of these boards. More so than actually thinking about something, it's good to actually see it visually. I'm a very visual person. Just seeing my goal in my board just visually makes me want it more, makes me think about it more, and it makes me subliminally want to work for it more. So I make it happen, but I have to put in the work too, if that makes any sense. Things just don't happen like a miracle. Like, for example, if you want a really nice sports car and you're just thinking about it, there could be a good chance that you might get a really nice sports car, the sports car you wanted. You might win the lottery and be able to buy it, or someone just randomly gives it to you. But realistically speaking, you kind of have to put in some kind of work to make that happen. So I'm really happy to be showing you guys my manifestation board because it's just something that I hold dearly to my heart, and every single day that I wake up, I think about my goals. I think about what I want to do, what I'm going to do in order to make my goals happen or my wants and needs happen. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my manifestation board right now. I got this board at TJ Maxx. It was about like $24. And I liked it because it was like that rustic kind of finish on it. It's a little like torn up on the sides. The paint is faded. It's exactly what I wanted. A lot of people do cut magazines, and that's how they cut out their content for their manifestation board. I'm going to call it a vision board because some people would call it that, or manifestation board, whichever one you guys want. But I didn't really have any magazines. I used to subscribe to Teen Vogue when I was younger, and recently I had been subscribed to a bunch of wedding magazines, but obviously that wasn't going to have all the content I needed for my vision board. So what I did, being a techie person in this time of age, you have a computer and you have a printer, and so I figured I would look at my stuff, I would look for the content I wanted to really visualize and manifest in my life. So I looked at Pinterest and I got my content for my vision board. So up here in the corner is a picture of Greece. I believe it's Greece, Santorini. It's a place I've been wanting to go. I just think it's so beautiful. Every time I see people go there, like vloggers or YouTubers, I'm like want to go there. It's like part of my bucket list. It's not just about Greece, but I think it means also about traveling. I really want to travel different places that I haven't been before. I've been to places in the US, and for my honeymoon I went to Cancun, so that really opened up my eyes about traveling outside of the US more and to different places that I haven't been to before. My sister's a huge traveler. She's gone to many places. She went to Europe, she went to Spain, Rome, and right now she's actually in Thailand, so she's kind of inspired me to go traveling. I see her stories all the time. She's always taking pictures, sending them to me, and I just kind of want to do what she does, and so I wanted to manifest that into my life. I know it's something we can do now, but it's like traveling is very expensive, so you kind of have to pick and choose when you're going to do it. But I know that me and my husband are going to try to save up for a trip coming up next year so that we can actually visit places that we've never been to before. So I'm really manifesting Europe for hopefully next year, so we'll see how that happens. It's on my vision board, so if it's on my vision board, I know it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time of when it's going to happen. Right next to the picture of Greece is this quote. It says, "Fill your life with adventures, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show." And that has been something I've been a big fan of, because lately I feel like as I'm getting older, it's not about how many things I have, it's about the adventures I get to take. It used to be about like having all the makeup in the world, having all the clothes in the world, but lately I'm like, hey, I'm not going to get all these things, because then it ends up like going in the trash eventually, and it's just like you just spent all your money on these things when you could have spent it on a nice trip. So for me, it's more important to go on adventures than have a lot of things. So here in the middle, the next one is a picture of a couple. They're getting married. They're next to like a lake, and they're under the arch, and that was something that's been on there for a while because I went to get married. And as you guys know, and you guys have been probably following me, I really manifested this. I really wanted to have a beautiful wedding, and I did, and I am still going to be, I don't know if you guys are going to see the video before this or after this, but I really wanted everything to be perfect. So I got to pick and choose everything. So I really manifested that. So that doesn't really need to be in my vision board, but I like to keep it there for now. I haven't had time to change it. I want to show you guys this video before. So yeah, so that goes to show you, like, if you really want something, you can make it happen. You just have to kind of look, put it here, visualize it, manifest it, and it's going to happen. So I'm going to point to a couple of them because they're pretty much the same thing, but you guys will see why. I'll show you right now. Okay, so this one right here, my hair is getting in my way. Okay, so this one right here in the corner is a beautiful kitchen. It's white kitchen. I've always wanted a white kitchen with some wooden floors. This over here in the corner too is a kitchen with marble countertops. It has like the French doors. I've always wanted French doors. And over here there's a picture of a laundry room. I've always wanted a house with a laundry room where it's like separate. Right now I have an apartment, so I have like, my laundry room is just like not really non-existent, but I do have a laundry set, so I guess that works, but it's not what I want in life. This is the kitchen, white kitchen with wooden floors. So as you guys can see, I'm visualizing a house. So me and my husband have both been working towards buying a house, and I think we're closer than ever to be able to buy a house. We were close to buying a house before we got married, but then we decided to get married before buying a house. And now we're just trying to save money, and I think we're very close to buying a house. So you guys will be seeing some of my future posts of what we're doing to make that a reality. And again, having it on my vision board is definitely helping out. And there's a couple more. So if you guys can see down here is a picture of the beach. I love the beach. I'm from a beach town, so I'm a beach town girl. But I did want to go somewhere with like warmer water, clear water. And I made that a reality by going to Cancun. So when we went to Cancun, we had such an amazing time. I cannot even begin to tell you guys. I'm supposed to post stuff about it. I just honestly haven't had time. I've been just kind of lounging around, just relaxing, doing like nothing. But yeah, we made that a reality. I think it helped putting it on our vision board because we were able to do everything we ever wanted. It was our dream vacation, and I can't wait to have more. down over here we have a picture of a girl. It's like her waist, and she looks very fit. She has abs, and I'm trying to manifest having abs, but not really. I just really want to look really fit and healthy. Again, here's some picture of food. It looks like some veggies and some chicken, and that's me manifesting eating healthier. I want to lead a healthier lifestyle because, as you guys know, I donated a kidney, and I need to be my healthiest by eating healthy foods, not drinking any sugar, soda, or sugar drinks. Like, I need to watch out for my kidney, and that's something I've been struggling with the most, just staying fit and eating healthy, but I'm doing my best I can. I figured if I put it on my vision board that it was going to be more likely that it would happen. So that's still a work in progress. I'm trying to manifest eating healthy and going to the gym and trying to get fit, but again, not everything is a miracle. It will happen if you keep on thinking about it and wanting it hard enough, and just having it posted visually somewhere I think will help. As you guys can see, this is my current vision board. There was a picture of a cat in here on this corner. So there's a picture of a cat. I did want a cat really bad that looks like a super cute cat, and my mom told me that cats were bad, that you shouldn't have him, and pretty much she just convinced me not to have one. So I figured, okay, like, I can just look at them and think they're cute, but I guess a cat is out of the question. I do have my baby boy Bambi, and he is adorable, and I love him, so I don't think he'd like having a cat in the house anyways. So yeah, so let me put this down, it's heavy. So that's my vision board slash manifestation board. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that I look at it daily to remind myself of what I want in life, what I want to do, what I want to achieve, and so far I've achieved many things. Some things that I don't even have on my vision board, like getting a career and all that stuff, I've imagined and I wanted it so bad, and I manifested it and it happened. So I totally recommend that you guys do this for yourselves. Again, you guys don't have to go out and spend money on magazines. You guys can totally just go online, search for what you want, and just clip it out and put it up on your wall. And it doesn't have to be something like this, like where you guys have to also buy the bulletin board. You guys can totally just post it up on your fridge or like on a wall, and that would just suffice. It's just one of my many tips and tricks of what I do to get what I want. And remember, you don't get anything out of it unless you put some work into it. So you cannot expect a miracle. There's a slight chance you might be able to get that nice sports car without lifting a finger. Chances are that you're not going to get what you want. So you have to kind of put in some work to get something out of it, if that makes any sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.